Hey guys, in this video, let's check out simple house cleaning essentials at best offer prices. Interested? Let's get going. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you are all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. You can check out all the products in the description box, or you can tap on view products, or you can visit my store. If you want any products in need, you can check out. So do keep watching and have this humble tools at your house as shown in the video. And as you're watching here, this multi-purpose duster does a great job, right? And you can get it at 120 rupees. If you want one, you can check out my description box. And here is a humble reminder for all of you watching my video. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications without fail. And thank you all for subscribing to Flying Skies One. And if you like the video, do smash the like button, and you can share with your friends and family. Do keep watching. Thank you all. So how are this simple house cleaning essentials or tools? They're pretty good, right? They does a great job, and your cleaning job gets easier and comfortable with these tools. Yes or no? Let me know in the comment section. Except this tool, it has been shown on the video, which I did not feel much comfortable personally. So you can also comment on this tool if you have used before. And that's it all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.